Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. Yes, that's right, we're back in my kitchen. We're in lockdown 2.0. Last time we filmed in here was probably lockdown 1.0, but we're back. Stuck in our homes for now anyway. So we've had a couple of weeks off food reviews. We're coming back at it hard. I'm feeling energized and ready to go. We've had a couple of weeks doing a few other bits and pieces in our lives that are very important. However, we are getting back at it. We're deciding how we can go out reviewing, if we can, what's safe, what's not. I mean, it is our job after all. We can't really work from home, maybe. Get in the comments, let me know what you think. Takeaways need the love too. Right, this video is very special. We are working again with our premium go-to DIY meat partner. Got 2 bags of rich goodies here. And I think we should crack them open to find out what I've got from JD Meats. Hello. Right, these bags here are meat candy. Yeah, you heard that right, meat candy. Burnt ends, they're hot, they're warm. Ooh. I'm gonna pour them out onto this plate here with my doused roll knife. Here we go. Oh my God. Still as sharp as ever. So these are burnt ends, aka meat candy. Now, this video, I wanted to put this out now because lockdown food doesn't have to be boring, plain, old, horrible. You're not getting your restaurant love. You can get some. It's actually putting me off how nice it is. Excuse me, just please.
Oh my God.
It's like meat candy. I'm gonna watch you pour this out of the bag. Also, it doesn't have to be horrible food. Stuff like this is available at your home from people like the oh my God, look at this. From the amazing JD Meats. This is, oh, Jesus Christ. That is meat, here we go. That is meat candy at its finest. Burnt ends. Rich, gnarly, punchy, full of flavour, and we absolutely love them. Typically, you can only get these at your premium, high-end barbecue restaurants. Not anymore. They can be sent to your house, vac packed, frozen, and all you need to do is boil them in the bag. How long do they take to boil, Jessica?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Literally, that's all you did, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Right. Let's dive in. I think we've had these on a video before. Did we?
They came in the big meat packs.
Yes. Oh.
Protein snack.
Yeah, so they're like advertised as meat candy. A bit like your biltong, etc. Nice, chewy, rich, flavoursome. Go on, get some footage of that. Absolutely amazing. Caked in a beautiful sauce. Here we go. That is it's breathtaking. It is chewy. At the same time, you've got that outer bark. They're burnt ends. They are burnt ends, but that's where all the secret goodness lives. Come and have a look at this bit here. This bit is really, look how easy that was to cut. That's how kind of delicate it is. It's burnt but delicate. It's kind of weird. Meat candy, people. Oh my God. I could eat that all day long. If you want to get this, remember, JD Meats. They're like our go-to exclusive partner for this type of incredible meat. Salt beef, pastrami, ribs, burnt ends, all sorts of wacky and wonderful products. They're already cooked, ready to go. They're at wholesale prices as well, which is really, really important. Now, I'm going to have one more piece of this. There's a big bit here I've got my eye on. Oh, my God. Jesus. Oh, a big bit. So there we have it. I can't stop. Meat candy from JD Meats. Let's just pour the other. No, I'll keep that in the bag. Keep that in the bag. Right. Next thing. How can a lot of the stuff we've had before maybe wasn't so dinner centric, a bit more snacky. This, however, is something that we're actually going to apply in the dinner scenario. I absolutely love reviewing and eating food like this because you're getting restaurant quality, amazing, yummy, world-class food delivered to your home. And this is what this page is all about. So get in the comments and let me know. This is pulled brisket. All right?
Yep.
One of my favourite meats going. Brisket. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my good sweet Lord. Baby Jesus. Let's just pull this around a little bit so you can see how it actually looks. There we go. Now look. That is absolutely.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
That's got a really nice aroma to it. It's got like this rich type of, I don't know, how would you even describe that sauce?
Or barbecue-y.
Yeah. A barbecue,
Smoky
food doesn't have to be, wow, just what you see on TV. Just what you see in America. We've literally got this stuff on our doorstep. Wow, brisket, pulled brisket, here we go. Nah. That is all goosebumps. Look at that. Oh my God. How do I describe that? You've got that soft, pliable texture to it. This like rich sauce that encapsulates every last strand of this beautiful meat. But then it's also got that bite to it. That little bit of chew, that little bit of pull. You know you're in a tug of war. That is breathtakingly good. Absolutely stunning. And how could you even eat this? Exactly how I would have it. Mash, veg, whatever veg you've got in the fridge. Maybe not a full pack. Stuff it as a full pack.
Could feed a family of 4.
Or me. There you have it. You've got the gravy, the juice coming from the meat. Some delicious skin on mash. And that is home sweet home. What amazing products. Just remember, guys, this stuff is available to your doorstep. They've got a wide range of other products. And I will continue to review this great food because I don't know anyone else sending food like this to your house. It's really, really important. Now, if you've got some time, there's a link in the comments. Sign up to the link. It's a subscriber thing. You're going to get all the deals and information from JD Meats sent directly to your inbox. It's worth a try. It's free. Doesn't matter. Also, now we're going to be out and about reviewing, hopefully, touch wood, soon. Get your recommendations of where we must go in the comments below. I'm looking for showstoppers, hidden gems, amazing places cooking amazing food that you know that we might like. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was another video, and we're going to be getting back to it too. I hope you guys are all staying safe. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and that was a review.